Hey there! Struggling with a Lenovo tablet that suddenly shows a black screen? You've come to the right place. This guide on how to fix Lenovo tablet black screen PC Monkey will walk you through simple and effective solutions to get your device back in working order. Black screen issues can be frustrating, but with the right steps, you can resolve them quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Perform a soft reset. Start by performing a soft reset on your Lenovo tablet. This is the simplest solution and can fix minor software glitches causing the black screen. To do this, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you see the logo appear, release the button and allow the tablet to boot up fully. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix the problem. Step 2. Check battery and charging. Next, ensure that your Lenovo tablet has enough battery power or check if the charging system is working. Plug the tablet into a charger, preferably using the original cable and adapter. Let it charge for at least 30 minutes and avoid turning it on during this period. Afterward, try starting the device by pressing the power button. If your tablet turns on, a drained battery or a faulty charger could have been the issue. Step 3. Perform a hard reset. If a soft reset didn't resolve the black screen issue, consider performing a hard reset. This step is particularly useful if the device is unresponsive. To hard reset your Lenovo tablet, press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Release the buttons when the Lenovo logo appears and wait for the device to reboot. Keep in mind that this action won't affect your data, so you don't have to worry about losing important information. Step 4. Examine the display connections. If the problem persists, there might be a hardware issue related to the display connection. Carefully examine the tablet screen for any visible signs of damage or loose connections. Gently press around the edges and the center of the screen to see if the display comes back. If you're comfortable with it, you can also try gently disassembling parts of the back cover to check internal connections, but proceed with caution to avoid voiding any warranty. Step 5. Boot into safe mode. Another potential fix is to boot your Lenovo tablet into safe mode. This can help determine if a third-party app is causing the issue. To enter safe mode, press and hold the power button until you see an option to shut down or restart. Once the menu appears, long press the power off option until you see a prompt to reboot into safe mode. Select this option and see if the tablet runs normally. If it does, uninstall any recent apps that might be causing the problem. While a black screen can be a troubling problem, these steps on how to fix Lenovo tablet black screen PC Monkey can guide you toward a solution. Whether it's a quick, soft reset, checking your charger's connection, or troubleshooting with safe mode, each step brings you closer to getting your device back up and running. Remember to take precautions and handle your device carefully, especially if you decide to inspect the hardware connections. If none of these solutions work, consider reaching out to a professional technician or Lenovo support for further assistance. Good luck, and here's hoping your tablet is back to normal soon.